Hi guys, I wanted to take a moment just to talk about printing. Since we started, the one question that came up is, what's the easiest way to print? And there are many ways of printing, and I consider them, most of them, all easy ways of printing. But I do want to say this. If you have the time and the energy to attempt different ways of printing that works best for you, you'll find the best option. My option, my number one option, is simply a MacBook and an iPad, along with a USB connection. That's it. Nothing else, nothing more. You don't need a wireless network. You don't need any hubs, although you might need a hub or a dongle to connect and power your iPad. But people neglect to think that you can't hardwire an iPad to a computer. You can. Now, you can also do this with a PC, although it does involve one USB hub that converts the USB connection into an Ethernet connection. So, can you print using a wire with the Curator wireless print server and the Curator Live app? Yes. Is it easy? Yes. Can you do it with a PC and a Mac? Yes. You can also do it with the dongles that you purchase, those third-party ones, such as the WCM or the Aircast Pro. But this, right here, is, if I do it, let's see if I just take a picture. Let's go ahead and hit print. If I can reach around, hit print. Oh, wait, I got another button. And hit print. That's instant. It's fast. You don't have to wait.